Some people snore and some don't. Why is that? Well, it's because of the shape of your throat. If you have a narrow throat, it can cause you to snore. But why would someone have a narrow throat? Well, it could be because of genetics. It could also be because of something called obesity hyperventilation syndrome, where your body uses up all of the oxygen while you're sleeping, and then you start suffocating, and your throat closes up. That's why people with sleep apnea often have a narrow throat. But there's another reason why someone might have a narrow throat, and it's because they're dehydrated. So make sure you drink enough water throughout the day so that your body is well hydrated and your throat is nice and open. And if you're curious about how much water you should be drinking, I've got a video for you right up here.